7 days of letting go and emotional healing. Day 4, feel and release. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes and begin to settle into this moment. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And exhale softly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Allow your shoulders to drop and your body to relax. Bring your awareness to your natural breathing rhythm. There's nothing you need to change or control. Simply notice each inhale and each exhale. Let your breath guide you into a deeper sense of calm. Now gently bring your attention to your emotions. Notice what you are feeling without judgment. Whatever arises is welcome in this space. You do not need to push anything away. Allow yourself to feel exactly what is present. Even if it feels uncomfortable or unfamiliar. Take a slow breath in and gently acknowledge the feeling. And as you exhale, imagine softening around it. There is no need to fix or change anything. Just allow the emotion to be seen and felt. You are creating space within yourself. A space where healing can naturally unfold. Now imagine your breath flowing directly into that feeling. With each inhale, bring gentle awareness. With each exhale, release any tightness or resistance. Allow the emotion to move and shift freely. Like waves rising and falling in the ocean. You are safe to feel and you are safe to release. There is strength in allowing yourself to be present. Notice if the feeling begins to soften or change. There is no rush, simply stay with your breath. Gently remind yourself that this moment will pass. And you are learning to let go with compassion. Take another deep breath and filling your body with calm. And slowly exhale, releasing what no longer serves you. Feel a sense of lightness beginning to grow within you. Allow your body to rest in this gentle awareness. You are doing exactly what you need right now. Take a moment to appreciate your willingness to feel. This is how healing begins from within. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the surface beneath you and the space around you. Begin to deepen your breath just slightly. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of openness and release with you. You are learning to honor your emotions with kindness. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.